Hi guys. So today I want to do like a mini haul because I bought like a few things for myself. So I'm gonna open them for you and then you get. So first things first, I went to Mr. Price, Mr. P, and then I got this nail set because I wanna like. Well, basically what I'm trying to say is most of the things that I bought are nail stuff. Okay, so I'm gonna show you what's in here. Okay, so I've opened it already. It's this nail thing which you put on your toes. I broke the thingy. Wait, let me go find the box that had the names of these things so I can. Okay, I'm back. I digged it in the trash. So it was 70 rand. Um, so they said this is a toe separator, and then it has a nail buffer. It has a nail filer. It has a cuticle cutter. It has these brushes. Okay, so it's 1, 2, 3, 4. Well, it's a lot because they said here it's 3 darting tools, but there's 4. And then they said there's 3 nail art brushes, but there's 4. So yeah. And then guys, I live in Newcastle, okay? So there's this shop that they said, well, there's this shop that I was recently introduced to, which I didn't know, but now I know it. So I went there to go buy a few things. Guys, please don't judge me, okay? Please don't judge me because, yeah, don't judge me. You know, I'm trying out stuff, and I'm not gonna say that I trust the shop, but I'm trying out stuff, okay? So I bought this UV. Is it a UV? It's an LED nail dryer lamp. It was 250. And then I got, well, the time is gonna finish now. I got nail tips for 30 rand. I got acrylic powder for 25 rand. I got nail glue for 10 rand. I got these gel polishes, 25 rand each. And then I got these 2 lipsticks, 10 rand each. So yeah. And then like I think I, oh yeah, one of them is what I have on. Bye.